Okay, I improved my electromechanical oscilloscope a little. We get the scan mirror running really slow because I had to tweak the voltage for that motor really precise to get it to run that slow. But that's required to show the low frequency waveforms that this arm can oscillate at. And I have also added an amplifier here, this board here, to amplify the signal from the function generator to the arm, so we get more amplitude. The camera doesn't really like this, but yeah, that's that's damn sine wave. Let's see if I can increase it a little more here. No, it just bottoms. Let me get it a little bigger. That's about max right there. So we can increase the frequency. The whole table vibrates. But yeah, let's try another waveform here. Bring it at about 50 Hertz. Let's take a square wave. A square wave, well, the rise and fall times of this scope is not the best, so you get a fucked up sine wave. This is a triangular wave. It looks like a sine wave. It's a pretty interesting effect when I change waveform. Arm is like rumbling around and bounces. It makes a very weird waveform, so I have to touch it with my finger to make it stop. So, but yeah, that's a really ghetto electromechanical oscilloscope. It works. It's pretty fun actually. But yeah, thanks for watching.